Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B0004-1A indicates a significant issue with the driver's knee airbag inflator. Specifically, this error points to decreased resistance in the inflator, which could suggest that the inflator is malfunctioning or that there's a fault within the airbag circuit components. The SRS, supplemental restraint system, unit monitors the airbag system's voltage levels. When the voltage detected on the line is below a certain threshold, it triggers this diagnostic trouble code, DTC. Before diving into the troubleshooting steps, understanding the role of SRS and its components is crucial. The driver's knee airbag is located in the lower dashboard area, serving the purpose of enhancing occupant protection during impact scenarios. Additionally, it is vital to ensure that the vehicle has not been involved in an accident, as this can complicate diagnosing and resolving the issue. The DTC B0004-1A entails an abnormal voltage reading associated with the driver's knee airbag inflator. The primary components involved include the driver's knee airbag itself, which is crucial for providing additional protection in a collision scenario, and the SRS unit, responsible for detecting any discrepancies in the airbag's function. The knee airbag is typically installed within the lower dashboard and deploys during certain types of collisions to protect the lower extremities of the driver. The SRS unit is positioned in a secure area of the vehicle and continuously monitors the airbag's performance. If the inflator circuit's resistance is lower than expected, it indicates potential faults either in the airbag or in the wiring connections leading to it. Several potential causes could lead to the activation of DTC B0004-1A. First, a faulty driver's knee airbag could present decreased resistance readings, indicating that it may not function correctly during deployment. Secondly, wiring short circuits, whether due to improper insulation or connectivity issues, could result in abnormal voltage signals being transmitted to the SRS unit. Lastly, a malfunction within the SRS unit itself could misinterpret the voltage levels, leading to this diagnostic trouble code. Each potential cause needs to be meticulously examined to ensure the safety and functionality of the supplemental restraint system. When dealing with DTC B0004-1A, there are several symptoms that may manifest. An obvious sign is the airbag warning light appearing on the dashboard, indicating that there is an issue with the airbag system that needs immediate attention. Additionally, in the event of a collision, if the driver's knee airbag fails to deploy, it presents a severe safety risk, compromising occupant protection. Lastly, the DTC B0004-1A itself will be stored in the vehicle's computer system, providing a reference point for technicians. Being aware of these symptoms is crucial for timely intervention and repair. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B0004-1A is to ensure that the vehicle is turned on. Once in the on position, it's essential to wait for at least 10 seconds. This procedure allows the SRS unit to run a self-diagnostic check and establish the current status of the airbag system. It's a crucial initial action, as this step can provide important data regarding the presence of any new DTCs. By understanding the vehicle's operational state, technicians can better diagnose the concerns associated with the SRS unit and airbag system. This step is fundamental to confirming whether the conditions to trigger the DTC are present. In the next step, focus shifts to the driver's knee airbag and its connections. Begin by confirming whether the DTC B0004-1A is present. If this trouble code is still indicated, it suggests a malfunction within the driver's knee airbag. To conduct a thorough driver's knee airbag inspection, ensure that the airbag inflator connector is disconnected and follow the necessary safety precautions involving the 12-volt battery disconnection. This precaution must stand to prevent accidental deployment of the airbag during inspection. If the DTC persists, this points toward a specific fault with the driver's knee airbag rather than other components. Step 3 involves inspecting the circuits labeled LKA+ and LKA-. This step is critical as it examines potential short circuits within the wiring that connects the SRS unit to the driver's knee airbag. Start by ensuring that the SRS unit connector A is disconnected, as well as the driver's knee airbag inflator connector. Following that, the SRS unit's connector A must be connected to the SRS short canceller to facilitate accurate testing. Utilizing the diagnostic tools to measure the resistance across LKA+ and LKA-, technicians should look for readings exceeding 1 megaohm, MO. If the readings fall below this threshold, it indicates a short circuit within the wiring, leading to the DTC activation. Finally, in the last troubleshooting step, if previous inspections indicate that the driver's knee airbag and its wiring are functioning normally, the focus should turn to the SRS unit itself. This unit is a complex component that integrates multiple signals and determines the overall functionality of the airbag system. Performing an inspection on the SRS unit is vital to confirm whether it is indeed the source of the issue. Any fault detected within the SRS system may necessitate replacement or detailed repairs. Since the SRS unit is responsible for interpreting signals from other components, diagnosing its performance is a crucial aspect of resolving the B0004-1A DTC. After completing all necessary repairs and troubleshooting steps for DTC B0004-1A, the final verification phase is critical. Begin by testing the entire airbag system to ensure that all components are functioning as intended. This includes rechecking the driver's knee airbag and ensuring all connectors are secure and free from faults. Once the testing is complete, utilizing diagnostic equipment to clear the DTC is vital, followed by a recheck to confirm that no codes have reappeared. This confirms that the initial issue has been resolved and the SRS operates effectively. Successful completion of this step is essential for the safety of the vehicle's occupants. Preventive maintenance is integral to ensuring the longevity and effectiveness of the SRS components, including the driver's knee airbag. Regular inspections should be scheduled to monitor the condition of wiring and connectors to prevent issues similar to DTC B0004-1A. Additionally, proper handling procedures must be followed whenever working on airbag systems to reduce the risk of accidental deployment. It is crucial for technicians to adhere to safety guidelines established by the manufacturer. Educating vehicle owners about the impact of modifications or collisions on airbag functionality also plays a vital role in preventive maintenance strategies. In conclusion, DTC B0004-1A requires diligent attention and systematic troubleshooting. Understanding the role of the driver's knee airbag and the SRS unit is pivotal to accurately diagnosing the issue. By following the prescribed troubleshooting steps, technicians can identify faults efficiently, ensuring vehicle safety. Issues such as faulty airbag components, wiring short circuits, or SRS unit malfunctions need immediate attention. Addressing these problems promptly not only enhances vehicle safety, but also fosters confidence in the vehicle's airbag deployment during critical moments. Regular preventive maintenance can mitigate the risk of similar DTC occurrences, ensuring the safety features of the vehicle remain intact and functional. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.